Now, one of the things about flying your Mini 3 Pro, especially if you're using the goggles and the hand controller, when you want to go back to the RC controller, you have to rebound the device. Now, the problem is, if you're outside doing this, because you know this is an Android, it won't connect to the internet, because it has to rebound the device. You have to be connected to the internet, so you've got to do that when you get home. But what they do, you've got 5 times that, so you could get the 3 and this connected together, but after 5 times you will not be able to fly it. So I'm going to show you how you do it. Binding your drone and your controller together, you've got to make sure that it is bounded properly. But when you're outside and you're not connected to the internet, it ain't going to happen. So you've got to come back where you've got internet, because don't forget we're using the RC controller, we're not using your phone or nothing like that. So where it says change bound device, because I've used it yesterday, it's already saying 4, now yesterday it was 5, so I'll just press that. It's just telling all the information about you binding this machine between this and this controller, because if you don't, guys, after the next 4 times you won't be able to fly your drone at all. So you press it again, there's all the information, and it's just going to confirm it. And because I'm connected to the internet, I'm not connected to the internet, fine. So what we do then, we just see, got to make sure you're connected. So I'm just making sure I'm connected. Okay, so always worth checking. We do it again, go through the same process, confirm it. Now I know that I'm connected to the internet. It's just going through now. Obviously it's just checking on the internet. Binding successful. Now I haven't got to worry when I go out after 4 times it's not going to fly, because it will fly. But guys, this is one of the things you've got to remember to do, because if you don't, or you ignore it, you're going to find out, hang on, I can't fly my drone. So I hope you found that useful. I'll catch you on another video.